This is perhaps the smallest I've ever packed for a trip. Yeah, everything I need is in this bag. That's it. This bag easily, it's a makeup bag, so it easily fits inside my handbag or little mini rucksack, whatever I plan on taking with me. And it has everything that I'm going to need. Now, the story behind this is that I had wanted to go and see Sunny Ozel and the Rails perform in Nottingham, but unfortunately something came up and I had to change my plans and I couldn't make it. But I still really want to see Sunny perform because I really like her music, and I've never seen the Rails perform, but I like what I've heard of them as well. So I looked on their schedule, and they have a couple more shows I could potentially attend. One is in London, one is in Winchester, and one is in Bristol. Now, London obviously sounds like that would be the normal choice because I do go to London fairly frequently for shows. I've got lots of friends down there that I could stay with. But unfortunately, the show is on a night where I already am busy. So that meant either Winchester or Bristol. Now, I've been to Winchester before. I have a friend who used to live there. So I do kind of know the town, but obviously that would involve a hotel stay because I no longer have any friends in Winchester as far as I'm aware. But anyway, so Bristol, which, believe it or not, I am doing in a sort of day trip. So the current plan is I'm going to go out to Bristol during the day of the show, attend the show, and then after the show, I am going to go back to the railway station, hop on a train to, I think it's Taunton, I'll have to double check, and then from there I will get on a train, which my husband thinks it's like the tail end of the night train. So I will get on a train at 1 o'clock in the morning, which gets to Paddington at, I think, 5 or 6 o'clock in the morning, at which point from there I will hop across London to King's Cross, where I will get on trains heading north, and if everything goes according to plan, I'll probably be home by like 10 or 11 o'clock in the morning. Obviously, I'll be sitting in coach on the sleeper train. I'm not going to have a sleeper compartment, but you can sleep on those trains. And I probably am going to take my neck pillow, blow up neck pillow, so I've got a little pillow. But anyway, one thing I need to do is be able to refresh myself because I'm not wearing the same underwear for 2 days. That's gross. I find that really gross. And obviously, I might want some deodorant, things like that. So enter my little small benefit bag. So let me show you what I've got in here. Now, I did deliberately pick to use a little makeup bag rather than like a clear bag or a regular travel cube. First of all, because this is really small, so it pops into my handbag easily. Second of all, it's discreet. Taking this to the toilet on the train or getting it out in the train station or whatever, not a big deal. It just looks like a makeup bag. So what do I have inside? Quite a lot. So, I've got a pair of underpants, nicely folded up. I've got a pair of socks, which I might not take after all. It's going to depend on what shoes I decide to wear the morning that I go, because obviously if I'm wearing shoes that I don't need socks with, then I don't need to bring socks along. But right now, judging by the weather forecasts, it looks like I might need my boots, which means I will want a fresh pair of socks because, ew, sweaty feet. Pack of makeup wipes because I'm going to want to take my makeup off, obviously. I do not have any makeup here, but I do have my little Complexionista kit, which will do sort of concealer and bronzer and highlighter, which I'll make it do until I get home just to have a little bit of coverage the next day. But obviously, that's kind of an optional thing. I don't really need that. I've got a small deodorant. I've got a hairbrush. I've got a toothbrush and a toothbrush and toothpaste. I have some dry shampoo. I have a little spray atomizer, which has some body mist in it. I have my prescription. And then I have 2 Baraccas. I have a little Baracca dissolve on your tongue thing to take one of the days, and then I have this little boost powdery thing that doesn't need any water either. I'll use either or I'll use both. I can take one one night, take one at night and one in the morning, whatever I want to do, but just to give me the Baracca boost is to give me energy the next day, and obviously just to prevent me from getting any kind of hopefully prevent any colds from happening. So, yes, that's everything, and I will probably be taking my little rucksack with me, although it's not little, is it? But even if I just take my regular messenger bag, this will fit nicely inside. So, I am well prepared for my little random spur-of-the-moment journey. So, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye!